Hi guys, welcome to RK IT Helpdesk. In this session, we are going to learn about how to delete users from Office 365. Okay, before start, if you are watching video first time and you are still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Okay, so let's start. Go to browser and log in with your admin console, admin.microsoft.com. Okay, I have already logged in with my admin account. Okay, just go to this navigation menu, click on users, active users. I have two active users in my account, so I want to delete this account. Just select it and click on delete user. Okay, in case you want to allocate the user's mailbox to any other users, you can give another users access to RKITMPlus email. Okay, also you can give a one access to new employee. Okay, just you can select it and put here your new employee name and also for email you can select a email, you can select a username and just click on next, create a display name as a and auto reply. I have already made a one separate video on this auto forwarding. Okay, just go through it. I will share the link in description. Okay, click on next, next, click on transfer ownership. After that, user will be deleted and this mailbox will be allocated to new user. So I don't want to go with this. I want to just delete user. I don't want to take backup. So I will just cancel it. I will just delete this user. I don't want to transfer the mailbox. Okay. Just click on delete user. Okay. License unassigned. One license is free now. You can allocate to another employee and user account is deleted. Click on close. User is deleted and that user is moved to deleted users. Okay. See, it is moved to deleted users and it will available till 30 days in deleted users. In 30 days, in case you want to recover it, you can recover it from deleted users. Okay, just you can click on restore and it will back to your active users. Okay, just try it. Restore user, auto generate password. Okay, archive has been restored. Okay, it is a password. Just close it. Now it is not available in deleted users. If you go to active users, it is back in this active users and it is showing unlicensed. So you can allocate the licenses to this user. License app, add license. Just click on add licenses. Okay. Let me choose it. What will happen? Turn on. Save changes. Okay. Let's check what happened with this user now. See, this license is right back again. Okay. In this session, we gone through how to delete user and how to restore that user again and how to allocate licenses again that user. Okay. Hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment and share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe RK IT Helpdesk. Thank you for watching.